Have you ever wondered what's the impact of having bad credit? What's that bad credit really costing you? Certainly good credit is an economic choice, but from a mental or emotional standpoint, there's a big unspoken impact on your life, and that's oftentimes impossible to measure. Bad credit or low credit scores show up as limitations and looks like I can't get something accomplished. It shows up as there's a problem or maybe something's broken. And I can assure you that nothing is further from the truth. So what's the real economic impact of having bad credit? Well, for example, there are many opportunities that you won't be afforded. You may not be able to buy a car or qualify for employment. On a bigger scale, you may not actually be able to get financed. So the actual impact on your credit is substantial. Maybe you're a business owner and you just can't grow your business because of your credit past. To get more information about the true cost of credit and the real impact of having low credit scores, fill in the form below and we'll send you a special free report as to how you can begin right now to start saving more money each and every single month. This is Corey from FixMyReport.com with another Kick Your Creditors' Assets moment. Thank you.